Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. We will learn how to link items in chat in Warframe. Linking items in chat is useful for trading, showing equipment, or sharing resources with other players. It allows other players to see exactly which item you are referring to. To start, open your inventory by clicking on Equipment and then Inventory. Next, look at the item that you want to link. Let's say I want to link a Bosham. Start by opening the chat box by pressing T on your keyboard. Since I want to link a bow, go to the message box and type in opening bracket. Then type the name of the item you want to link. In my case, just type bow. Close the bracket and press enter. As you can see, the bow has been successfully linked in the chat. You can also preview it by clicking on the link. Using item links helps with trading, coordinating missions, or simply showing off gear without taking the screenshots. And that's it. We just learned how to link items in Warframe chat, step by step, making it easier to share gear and trade with other players. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial videos.